At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. Make 1 chain and make 11 single crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now pull the yarn and cut it. Now insert the yarn in the needle. Now insert the needle in the first stitch. And insert the needle in this last stitch in this back side of the loop. Now turn the work, secure the yarn, now cut the extra yarn. Now take another yarn. Now give a slip knot. Insert the yarn, insert the hook, pull the yarn, now make the petal, make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 3 double treble crochet in the next stitch. So wrap the yarn 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Then make double treble crochet in the next stitch. One, wrap the yarn 3 times and insert the hook, pull the yarn, leave 2 loops, then again leave 2 loops, then leave 2 loops and again make 2 loops. So we have to make like this. Wrap the yarn 3 times, then insert the hook, pull the yarn and leave 2 loops, leave 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and again pull through 2 loops. So this is the double treble crochet. So I have made here 3 double treble crochet, then make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make slip stitch in the next stitch. This is the first petal. Now make the second one. Make 3 chain. Make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 3 double treble crochet. Wrap the yarn 3 times. Insert the hook in the next stitch. So pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. Then again pull through 2 loops. And in the last pull through 2 loops. Wrap the yarn 3 times. Then make the double treble crochet. Again make another one. So I have made 3 double treble crochet. Then make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch in the next stitch. So continue all the petals in the same way. Now in the last make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 3 treble crochet. Make 3 double treble crochet in the next stitch. Wrap the yarn 3 times. Insert the hook. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. So again make the double treble crochet. Again make that double treble crochet. So make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and slip stitch in this very first stitch where we have started. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now turn the work. Insert the yarn. And secure it. Now cut the extra yarn. Again secure the another yarn. So cut the extra yarn. So this is the flower. Thanks for watching.